Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to work with variables, and we're going to use that so we can have something happen just a certain number of times. In this example, what we're going to have our board do is flash the red LED on and off 7 times. Okay? And then it'll stop, and that'll be the end of the program. So first we'll start by getting the LED on, wait, and then off. So we're going to select high 0, then we're going to put in the delay. I'm going to use a delay of a half a second. So we'll select pause 500, and then we'll go ahead and we'll turn the LED off, so that's an out. Low is 0, we'll turn off the LED. We'll again do a delay. I'm just going to copy that one, copy, edit. So we have on red, wait, off red, wait. Now in order to keep track of the time, we need to use variables. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the other, and there's this little option that says let. Okay? And we're going to pick that. And what we're going to have it say, and I'll explain it here in a minute, we're going to say let B0 equal B0 plus 1. Okay, this is one way of doing it. What this is saying in English is whatever the number that's already in B0, okay, and to start out the number should be, the number that's in box B0 or variable B0 is 0. So to start out it's 0. So mathematically this would say let the variable, or let the number that's in box B0 equal the number that's currently in box B0 plus 1. Well, if the number that's in B0 to start is 0, then 0 plus 1 would be equal to 1. So the new number that would go back into box B0 would be 1. Okay? So the first time through, 0 plus 1 would equal 1. Okay? And then we'll make a decision based on that. So again, we'll pick if, we'll select this variable here, and so we'll say, is B0 equal to 7? Okay? If the answer is no, then we want it to flash again. So the first time through, when it gets to this, the number is going to be 1 the first time through. So it's not equal to 7, so we want it to flash again. So we'll continue this all the way back to the beginning. So now we're second time through. The number that's in the box now is 1. So B0 is equal to 1 right now. And so when it gets back down to this command, it's going to say, okay, we want to make the number that's currently in box B0 equal to the number that is in box B0, which is 1, add 1 to that. So 1 plus 1 would now be 2. So the new number that goes into box B0 is now 2. So is the number equal to 7? No. It keeps going through. So the third time through, it's going to make the new number that's in box B0 equal to the number that's currently in there, which is 2, plus 1. So 2 plus 1 now is 3. So it's going to basically keep incrementing that number, and when it gets equal to 7, the number that's in the box, or variable B7, is going to be equal to 7. We want to stop everything. So to do that, I'm going to show you something new. We're going to just use this command here under out. Oh, wait, maybe under other. Let's see. Yeah, under other, you can pick this little guy here with 3 dots. If I plop that in, I can click on it, and then down here I can just type end. Okay, this is one way to kill the program. So if I run it right now, let me try simulating it. You can see that it's flashing 0, which is the red LED. It's going to flash this 7 times. Okay. And as soon as B0 is equal to 7, it'll follow this rung and it'll end. And that's it. Okay. Oh, well, this end does not work. Interesting. Okay, well, let's fix that. Instead of using this command, we'll delete it. And if the program, well, here's how we'll kill it. To end the program, we'll just stick it in a what's called an infinite loop. So if the number equals 7, the answer is going to be yes, and we'll just keep asking that same question. The number will always be 7 if we keep it stuck here, so this will kill it. Putting an arrow back to there. And that's how you can keep track of the number of counts.